guys, welcome to our channel Hana Beauty. And you know self-care is a long journey that I'm really happy to join with you on that journey to help you become healthier and beautiful every day. And if this is your first time here, please subscribing and turn on the bell button to get notification of our latest video. Today, I will introduce you 3 face masks for bright glowing skin. It's easy to splurge on fancy exfoliating face and body scrub, but it just as easy to make. The nice thing about making your own, it works as well. It's all natural and you can make a lot for pennies on the dollars. This basic recipe comes for a few tried and true ingredients that help exfoliate, soften, whiten and brighten the skin. You can customize it however you like to since there are a number of interchangeable natural ingredients you can use to lighten skin tone. Now let's start.
Organic banana face mask. You will need 1/2 of banana, tablespoon of orange juice, 1 tablespoon of honey, and methods. Mash 1/2 of banana in a bowl. Banana is a great exfoliator which helps slough off excess sebum on the skin surface. It also contains and contains moisture, potassium, and vitamin E, C, which promote clear glowing skin. Bananas, also known as nature's Botox, contains supple wrinkles fighting nutrients that help fight age, spots, and prevent fine lines and wrinkles from forming. Mix in tablespoon of orange juice and tablespoon of honey. Honey comes with anti-aging benefits as well. It helps in delaying the appearances of wrinkles and lines, keeping the skin youthful as well as glowing. It has antioxidant property that fight off the free radicals and protect the skin from premature aging. And orange is also excellent beauty aid in reversing the aging process. It is replete with vitamin C, which increase the production of collagen and keep the skin firm and moist. And apply this mask to the face and keep the mixture on for 15 minutes. And rinse with lukewarm water and then moisturizes. Papaya lightening mask. You will need a tablespoon of honey, 1/2 cup of mashed papaya. And method: blend together the tablespoon of honey and 1/2 cup of mashed papaya. Papaya contains a high number of antioxidants, which along with its other nutrients give your skin healthy glow and moisturizing it at the same time. The vitamin A content rejuvenates the skin from the outside, while the enzyme papain can treat acne breakouts. Since it's rich in potassium, it hydrates the skin and prevents it from being dull looking. Due to the enzyme called papain, it works as a natural and effective exfoliator, brightens the skin and removes dead skin cells, which help the skin repair itself. It removes flaky patches and the inactive proteins that's sitting on the top layer of the skin. Papaya has a high number of healing enzymes that can also protect the skin against the damage or treat existing sunburns. gently apply the mixture over the face for 15 to 20 minutes. And wash it off and moisturize. Oatmeal face mask. Ingredients: oatmeal and honey. Methods: pass oats through a food processor to grind them into smaller grains, and mix them with enough honey to create a paste. Oatmeal is suitable for all skin types and even for the most sensitive skin because of its anti-inflammatory properties. It soothes irritation and treats inflammations. It can also be used as mild soap, as it contains saponins, which is cleansing agent. The saponins found in oat help to remove dirt from the skin pores. Oatmeal's moisturizing property, when combined with its cleansing property, gives your skin a soft glow after topical application. And leave on for 20 minutes and rinse off with warm water.
These are the face packs you can prepare with simple ingredients found at home. And if you have not used any of these ingredients before, do a small patch test on the upper forum to rule out the possibility of any adverse reactions. And share your experience in the comment section below. And don't forget subscribing and turning on the bell button to get all beauty tips from us. Goodbye and see you next video.